The navigation menu feature allows you to create shortcuts to certain areas of your virtual showroom, which may contain important objects or interactions. These shortcuts are used to make navigation easier and to find your way if you get lost in the interface. By default, you will find an entry shortcut, which will mark the beginning of the experience. You can change its position, camera angle, or even make it disappear from the client menu. To create a new shortcut, simply move to a location you want to save. Open the menu and press the plus button. Define a name and a language. Select the type of link, sweep or showroom. Finally, press Save. Once you add shortcuts to the menu, you can change the order of appearance, change the camera angle, hide or show the shortcuts to the client, change the creation parameters, name, language, link type. Share this shortcut via a URL link. Delete the shortcut. These shortcuts can be used in portals, which is the subject of another video.